Hey everybody, it's Steve from Corporate Gone Country. I'm just an ex-corporate guy trying to do country things, and sometimes I even get them right. Today I'm out in southwest Texas. It's deer season and I've got a corn feeder that's not throwing corn. I have changed the battery on it and it's still not working, so I think I need a new motor, but I'm going to get inside there and check it out. Now the challenge here is this feeder has 400 pounds of corn in it. So it's not quite full. It'll take 600 pounds, but it's about 2/3 full. It's keeping time very well, and you can see the battery meters there are full for the timer battery and also the spinner. And it's got one of these Eliminator spinners on it. I really like these, but I've never changed one out with corn in it. So here we go. These are all the tools I'm going to use. I got some duct tape and electrical tape. I got my toolbox there for the screwdrivers and wrenches. I got some towels because I heard somebody tell me, I can't remember who it was, one time that you can stick a towel up the corn chute and keep the corn from falling down. I've got every socket that I own on this property out here. I got a driver and some attachments for it, and then I got something to sit on because this is really rocky ground out here. So the first thing I did was take a photo of how this is, how those nuts go on as attachments, what order they go in, where the spacers are, so I can put it back together the same way. Okay, I'm videoing with my Meta Smart glasses right now, and what I've done just for the heck of it is I've spun this spinner, and there might have been some corn jamming it up, so that might be the only problem. I'm going to check this out and hopefully I've solved it. So here we go with the test. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And she's working. I can't believe it. It was some corn that was just jammed in there the wrong way, and I don't have to change this motor out. So just to make sure I'm not dreaming, I'm going to set me a feeder time at about 4:13. This ought to be changing to 4:13 any second. There it goes, and the feeder goes off. So we fixed it just by turning that kick plate. So I mean, here's all I did, folks, is I took my screwdriver and I started spinning that right there, and it was a little there's some resistance to begin with, and some corn fell down. It looked like it was jammed up there just the wrong way. Once I loosened this up, it just started spinning freely, and the motor was powerful enough to turn it up and throw out all this corn. So I'm going to say this is fixed. I'm actually somewhat disappointed that I'm not going to take this off right here. What I was going to do is I was going to start loosening these bolts up, and then I was going to stick a towel up here. I know some corn would have dropped out, but I was going to stick a towel up that chute there and prevent the corn that's in a feeder hopper from falling out on the ground. Then I was going to put some duct tape over it so the towel wouldn't fall out, and then I could replace the motor down here in this housing and reinstall it, rewire it, and then try it. But this motor looks like it's fine. This spinner plate was just blocked, so sorry about that. Didn't get to show you what I thought I was going to show you, but I'm not going to take this motor off just to make a video, because I'll probably screw it up. Anyway, sometimes you try stuff and it works out. Well, thank you for watching today's episode of Corporate Gone Country. If you like what you see here, please like and subscribe. We really appreciate your viewership and hope to see you on a future video. Bye now.